Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. If you are an Android device user and wonder how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to Android, then this section is for you. Here is the simplest method that you can try. First, you have to uninstall the WhatsApp application and install it again. Also, make sure that your WhatsApp backup file on Google Drive is up to date. Note, check here to know how to backup WhatsApp data on Google Drive. Once the WhatsApp application is reinstalled in your phone, and enter the same phone number link with your WhatsApp account. Then, click the next option. You'll receive a verification code on your phone, so enter that 6-digit verification code. Now, give access to the app to access your photos, media, and files on your device. The updated backup will be detected and you'll then be prompted to restore your chats and media from Google Drive. Tap Restore and wait for the restoration process to complete. When it's done, tap Next. Once the initialization is complete, you'll now see all your WhatsApp backup, including messages and media files being downloaded and restored. If you want to download the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive and save it as file, head to WhatsApp Settings, Chat History, and Email Chat. Now, select the WhatsApp chat history files and choose the attached media or without media. Then enter the email address which the downloaded chat is going to be sent. You can now download the exported chat, which is saved as the TXT format from your email inbox. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.